Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Microsoft Outlook email. This is a really useful feature when you want to draw attention to important information in your messages or emphasize key points for your recipients. Let's walk through how to do this step by step. First things first, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Once you've entered your credentials, give it a moment to load all your emails and sync your mailbox. This initial loading process ensures that everything is up to date and ready for you to work with. Now that your email has loaded successfully, we can begin the process of highlighting text in your Microsoft Outlook email. To access your email composition tools, look toward the top left part of your screen where you'll find the New Email button. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a fresh email composition window where you can draft your message and apply formatting. You're now in the email composition screen, and here's where the magic happens. The process of highlighting text in Microsoft Outlook email is actually quite straightforward once you know where to look. First, you'll need to have some text ready to highlight, so go ahead and type out the message or locate the specific text that you wish to emphasize. Once you've identified the text you want to highlight, select it by clicking and dragging your cursor over the words. You'll see the text become highlighted in blue, indicating that it's been selected. With your text selected, direct your attention to the top part of your screen where you'll see several tabs. Click on the Format Text tab. This tab contains all the formatting options you need to customize the appearance of your email. Under the font section, you'll notice a highlighter icon that looks like a marker pen. This is exactly what we need. Click on the small drop-down arrow next to the highlighter icon, and a color picker menu will appear displaying various highlighting colors. Simply choose the color you wish to use to highlight your text by clicking on it. You might choose yellow for a classic highlighter look, or perhaps green, pink, or blue depending on your preference or the importance level you want to convey. Once you click on your chosen color, your selected text will immediately be highlighted in that color. It's that simple. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to highlight text in Microsoft Outlook email, making your important messages stand out and ensuring your recipients notice the key information you want to emphasize. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.